Me and the heathens.
Bruh. Like, bruh.
Headed for a walk.
Love you too, I guess.
To the trolley stop. And we're gonna go for the trolley ride. We're gonna take you all for the trolley ride. And we're gonna see what all we can find. All right?
Starbucks.
Let's do this. Choo-choo goes the trolley. Choo-choo goes the trolley. Choo-choo goes the trolley. Hello.
How y'all doing?
Doing all right.
Good. A little bit warm out there, huh?
Yep.
It's a little bit.
A little bit. Actually, I don't think it got as hot as they... Well, it's all relative, I guess.
Yeah.
They were talking about upper 90s, but I don't know that it's there.
Last I checked about an hour ago, it only hit 93 with a heat index of 102.
Oh, well, we're all good. This time of year, actually, it's a little bit hotter than we should be. Looks like there's a breeze out there, though.
And it is down here. Feels good coming off that water.
Oh yeah, it does. And that's because that water temperature is only about 60 degrees.
Yeah.
Feels real good first thing in the morning when there's a layer of fog on the lake. We do have that in Branson. Actually, these folks, that side of the bridge is another small town called Hollister. So they're going home for the day. There's not a stoplight at that end of the bridge, it's a roundabout.
Yeah.
It hasn't been very busy the last few days.
It's kind of expensive what they want to charge for that.
I've heard, what is it, 180?
$40 a person.
A person, okay.
For a 25-minute ride.
Right.
They are awesome. They are cool. One of my family's good friends growing up had one, so I got picked up by one all the time, every week, and taken out on the Ohio River.
Oh, okay.
And you know, it's great, it's awesome, but it's one of those things you don't really experience it on a 25-minute ride.
Right. Right. I know he just goes down in front of the fountains and then back. And we don't have the ducks anymore, so.
me off out here.
Okay. Have a good one.
Thank you. Well, there's a short little bit of it. Let's see what all else we can get into while we're down here. Give you a minute? How many minutes you need, yo?
300.
How many minutes you need? We're waiting on you.
She's putting her
Like any day now. Damn it. Come on, yo.
Sorry.
Wow. Get over here. Get over here, can I?
Get your manly bum
Get over here. I'm free. I will post it just like that, boy. Don't think I won't.
If mommy killed, if mommy said,
Do it.
No, it's okay.